Nice to have you back for another episode of our 107 channel. I see many surprised faces out there. No, I did not convert my 560 with US specs to European specs. This is the car of a customer. It looks identical, same color. Well, identical? Not really. This is a 280 SL from 1982, the smallest engine available. They started mounting a 6-cylinder engine in 1974 due to the oil crisis that year. A Bosch D-tronic was mounted between 1974 and 1976. After that, a K-Jetronic was used, which was the predecessor of the Key I-Jetronic, which was introduced in 1985. Let us have a look at this engine, M110. Have a test ride afterwards, and I'll feel the handling and performance in comparison to my 560. Well, I am back. Here we go, our M110 engine with a Bosch K-Jetronic. Since this is a 1982 year of production, Mark II, therefore with a 185 horsepower. The Mark I models with D-Jetronic had an output of a 177 horsepower. The 280 SL rolled out of the production lines in Stuttgart of 25,436 times from 74 to 85. It was available also with a 4 and later on with a 5-gear manual gearbox, which adds a little extra kick to it. You have an extra gear, almost an overdrive, and 50 kilos less weight. This one here is with the generic and typical 4-gear automatic gearbox. This one here has the specifications 107042. I think you have noticed right from the start there are lots of empty spaces left around underneath the bonnet in comparison to the V8 engine bay, which is totally cramped. Here you have easy access to everything. You do not have to dismount 3 components to get to component number 4 underneath. Sure, this one has half the displacement in comparison to my 560. Let us have a look around. This door handle here is the old-fashioned style, chrome clad I would say, like in the old days. I personally like this style better in comparison to the door handles which were introduced in 1985 with this plastic inlay, due to safety measures and more integrated into the surface of the door. There is a picture above on the right hand side with the handles which were introduced in 1985, so you see the difference. I like old school better, more chrome around the car, which I highly appreciate. I like the bling bling. Having a look at the center console, we notice a difference here. The gearshift gate is protruding some centimeters in comparison to the gate introduced in 1985, which was integrated in the woodwork without this rubber around. The picture above on the right hand side. put the two versions next to each other. On the left there's the US version with the huge bumpers, so-called park benches, and 4 round single beam headlights. In my humble opinion, both versions have their ups and downs. Very unusual are those 4 round headlights due to US safety specifications. This is a hot topic which is triggering heated discussions amongst members and enthusiasts of the 107 community. Let me know about your opinion. Please write something into the comment section. I am back in the garage, back from a test drive out of curiosity. Concerning acceleration, there is a significant difference in comparison to my 560, both in torque and noise. Nevertheless, it was a pleasant ride, gliding along country roads with ease.